Hi guys, this is Joseph. This is the Jerry Hunt Supercenter located in beautiful downtown Lexington, North Carolina. This 2019 5.7 liter hemispheric V8, 395 horsepower, 410 pound-foot of torque. This is a Laramie edition, gives you leather, heated and air-conditioned seats, trailer hitch, and the nice thing is automatic start. Proximity entrance, so you don't ever have to take your keys out of your pocket. And I'm going to go over a few things that are going to let you understand how beautiful and helpful this vehicle can be for you and your family. Okay, of course, this 2019 Laramie comes with a few assets that are really going to be beneficial to you. Class 4 trailer hitch, your 4 and 7-pin wiring harness for the brakes on your trailer. The other nice thing is you've got a backup camera. I'll show you a little thing about how you can actually show it so that you can look directly down when you're doing the trailer. This has an easy lower tailgate. I let go of it, doesn't drop. This also has a tri-fold tonneau cover. If you grab these hinges, it'll flip, pull it again, flip, and then you can clip these down so that you don't have to worry about it flying about. And it gives you a huge amount of space, whether or not you had it up or down. One of the other great assets of this vehicle, if you flip these seats up, you'll notice you've got a 115, just like you would at the house. So if you're using this on the job, this also gives you access to 2 washable and removable cases. These are great for drinks. You can put yogurt or milk in it. And if you're on the job, you've got a 15-inch ruler. And these, of course, are going to be capped. You don't have to worry about spillage. And again, you can fit 6 drinks in there. You've got exactly the same thing there. All the USBs in the back, 115 just like you have at the house. So this is obviously going to be a workhorse on wheels, or great for the family and great for grocery shopping. So let's have a look now. The other nice thing about this vehicle is if you are trailering or towing, it gives you 2 views for your backup camera. This will let you see exactly where that's your exact bumper. So if you're pulling anything in, that lets you know exactly where it is. It gets you the line for the center. So as you're pulling the trailer and you're going back, when you want to load it up, that'll let you see where the hitch is attaching. Another great feature of this vehicle. Have a great day.